Today we are going to learn bed modeling design by using editable polygon. Draw a box of 5 feet by 6 feet size, then give length and width segments 8, or you can give 10 as well for better result. Adjust the view to select all the vertices properly on the edge faces option, or you can press F4 option to see segments in a drawing. Then after that, select object, right-click on the mouse and select Convert to Editable Polygon option. Then select Vertex option, select all vertices. Then, go for Connect option. After that, select edges and extrude all the edges downward or inside and adjust the extrusion size accordingly. Turn off the edge faces option and give Escape. After that, go for Modify option and select Turbo Smooth option to give real look for your bed. Increase iterations value for better result. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to learn more with me. Thanks for watching.